Hey everybody, I'm Veljko, and in this video I'm gonna be trying out these ambient lighting on my Lexus IS250. I bought the blue one to match with the rest of my blue accents, and it costed me around $4. And I also bought some extra stuffs to make the modification more discreet. It's these two, and they each cost like maybe $2 or something. So the purpose of this is, of course, everybody knows what this is. It goes to the 12-volt socket, and it's the adapter to USB. And there I will plug this, another adapter that's L-shaped. So it goes like this. And because it goes on the sides, it's not gonna stick out, and I can nicely close this compartment. So that's good. By the way, I'm gonna be installing the LED strips like here. It's gonna start from here, go all the way back here, so the rear passengers are gonna see it as well. It's gonna go around here and then go back. I think 2 meters is gonna be enough. I don't think you need a screwdriver or anything, just this and you're good to go. So let's see how easy it is. I'm very excited. I can't wait to see how it's gonna look at night. So let's go. Okay, need to be careful because it's aluminum. And then just pry this out. It's not hard at all, but I don't know why now it's hard. When I film, everything becomes hard. Well, I guess because I don't have two hands. Let me move this. All right, I pried it out, but I actually forgot that I need to first remove these two trims. Up. There it goes. And now this whole piece, starting from here to here, you remove. Just like that. So there's this USB that plugs here, and then there's this driver module or something that actually hisses. It makes a quiet hissing sound, which I don't like. I apologize for skipping a few steps. In fact, I already installed the ambient lighting because I wanted to test which is the best method to install, and then I'll explain to you, instead of rather going through the process and then I realize, oh, that's not actually a smart idea. But now that it's installed, I'm gonna tell you what is the best method. Don't worry, it's not that difficult. So it all starts, the power comes from the 12-volt socket that again goes to this adapter that's L-shaped, and then goes to the driver module, and then this wire goes to the where the LED begins. So I'm gonna show you. You can see the jack here, that wire soon becomes the LED ambient lighting. There's a small hole here that you can insert the start of the LED, and from the back it goes here all the way here at the back, and it finishes here. Now for that you need to remove this part, and there's two Phillips screws here and here, after you of course remove this trim. I showed you how to do it. Now you might think, oh, but you cannot open this anymore, but actually I can. As you can see, okay, it does move a little bit. There's too much space. I connected this jack, so now all I have to do is plug it in, put this small hissing device here, and when you cover it, it actually, I don't hear a thing. So it looks very nice and discreet. Now during the day you won't be able to see it, but I'm gonna show you some night shots. Maybe here you can, yeah, here it looks so good. So the back passengers can also see it. As for mounting the actual ambient lighting strip, you just push it in into these canals, and it's not that hard at all. There. Now in some places the gaps were tighter, like for example it starts here and at the back it was very tight. So now I'm thinking maybe to put another same color one here and here and here. Of course this is a storage, you cannot put it here, but I'm thinking maybe to use the double adhesive tape and put it there and see if it's gonna hold during summer. But hey, it's cheap, so I'll give it a try, and if it works I'll make a video about it. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Let me know if you like it. I really love it, and that's about it. Take care.